What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Topher's Garage. So today we got the Jeep in the garage and we're going to be installing a new exhaust system. So the old one's all kind of cobbled together and there's some rust spots through it. So we're going to be doing a new downpipe or a mid pipe, whatever you want to call it, new cat, new exhaust or a new muffler, and then a new exhaust tip. I already replaced the exhaust manifold. I've got a video of that, so I will link that either somewhere on screen or in the description. So we're going to be doing from the manifold, or from behind the manifold backwards. So the first thing we'll do is we'll cut out all the old stuff, and then we'll get this new stuff put in the Jeep. Before we do that, we're going to do a quick video of how the Jeep sounds stock, and then we'll do a before and after comparison. So here we go. All right, so up under the back of the Jeep, I think to get this out, I'm gonna try and make a cut maybe right around there in front of the muffler, and there's the skid plate. I know, sorry, it's really close. And then I'll make another cut right here, and then we'll be able to get the cat out and the muffler, and hopefully that works for us. So let's get started. All right, so under the back here, we also need to get these hangers off. So they seem pretty loose. Let's see about that. There we go, there's one. We'll do that on. All right, so now we've got to undo those two bolts for the mid pipe. All right, so we got the mid pipe loosely bolted up to the exhaust manifold. We got our cat just kind of resting up here on the skid plate. We're gonna get that loosely bolted up. And then we'll go through and put the rest of the components in, so the tailpipe and the new Thrush turbo muffler. We'll get everything loosely in there, and then make sure everything's all aligned, and then go through and tighten everything down. So let's get into it. All right, so we got everything kind of loosely installed here. We got the tailpipe in. Let's see if I can show you the tailpipe there. We kind of fed it in from the back, got all the hangers reinstalled. See up top, let's see if I can make this. See the hangers up here, got those reinstalled. So we're gonna tie everything down, and I'll get the O2 sensor installed in the new downpipe, get everything tightened up, and then we'll be able to fire it up. All right, so got the exhaust finished up. Got it out into the garage, so we'll set the camera up and we'll see how it sounds. like the video, like the sound of the exhaust, let me know in the comments. But if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.